Hi, and welcome to our video on the traffic exercise. In this video, we'll be discussing on how this exercise can help you identify different types of product managers and improve your hiring process. The traffic exercise is a game that assesses a candidate's product management style by evaluating their approach to creating effective user journeys for a given junction diagram. This can provide valuable insights into the candidate's strengths, weaknesses, and fit for a product management role. It involves providing a diagram of a 4 or 6-lane junction and asking the candidate to come up with the best user journeys for the given junction. A good user journey is important because it helps provide a positive user experience, addresses user pain points, and contributes to the success of the product or service. It also reflects the candidate's thought process, decision-making skills, and product management approach. If you want to ensure that each candidate is evaluated based on their individual skills and thought process, it is recommended to play the traffic exercise individually. This will help avoid any bias or influence from other candidates and allow each candidate to showcase their own unique approach and style to product management. Also helps provide a more accurate assessment of each candidate's strengths and weaknesses, which can be helpful in making hiring decisions. Provide the candidates with ample time to brainstorm and come up with their solutions. You may also want to set a time limit for the exercise to keep the candidates on track. After the allotted time, players should be asked to categorize their solutions based on different product management styles, such as innovative, data-oriented, risk-averse, or customer-centric. This will help identify the candidate's product management style and approach. It's important for players to think critically and strategically when coming up with their solutions. They should consider various factors, such as user needs, market trends, and business goals. Once the candidates have completed the exercise, ask them to present their ideas to the group. Encourage discussion and feedback from other candidates to make the exercise more interactive. After the exercise, provide feedback to the candidates on their performance and discuss their strengths and areas for improvement. You can also use this as an opportunity to educate them on different product management styles and how they can be applied in different situations. This traffic exercise can help you identify different types of product managers and their strengths and weaknesses. You can use this exercise in your hiring process by incorporating it into your interview process or asking candidates to complete it as part of a take-home assignment. This exercise can provide valuable insights into a candidate's thought process and decision-making skills, which can help you make better hiring decisions. Here are some examples of how different product management styles in the traffic exercise can be applied in different product scenarios. A candidate who prioritizes risk aversion may be more suited to managing established products with a proven track record. They may focus on maintaining and improving existing features, ensuring stability and reliability, and minimizing potential risks and issues. A candidate who is more innovative may be better suited to developing new products or features. They may focus on creating new solutions, experimenting with new technologies and ideas, and pushing boundaries to deliver a unique and compelling user experience. A candidate who is more data-oriented may rely heavily on data and analytics to inform their product decisions. They may focus on gathering and analyzing user feedback, monitoring performance metrics, and making data-driven improvements and optimizations. A candidate who is more customer-centric may prioritize understanding and addressing user needs and preferences. They may focus on creating user personas, conducting user research, and usability testing, and ensuring the product meets user expectations and requirements. Here are some example approaches or user journeys that players could take in the traffic exercise. A candidate could prioritize safety by adding more traffic signals, pedestrian crossing, and speed limits to reduce the risk of accidents and improve overall safety. A candidate could prioritize efficiency by optimizing traffic flow and reducing congestion. They could consider factors like lane widths, turning radius, and traffic volume to create an optimal flow that reduces wait times and improves overall efficiency. A candidate could prioritize sustainability by introducing bike lanes, public transport options, and other eco-friendly solutions to reduce emissions and promote sustainable transportation. A candidate could prioritize user experience by creating a more pleasant and enjoyable journey for drivers and passengers. They could consider factors like lighting, aesthetics, and other sensory elements to create a positive emotional experience. A candidate could prioritize accessibility by ensuring that the junction is accessible to people with disabilities and other special needs. They could consider factors like curb heights, wheelchair ramps, and audio signals to ensure that everyone can use the junction safely and easily. Overall, each product management style has its own strengths and weaknesses and can be applied in different product scenarios depending on the goals, context, and user needs. The traffic exercise can help identify which style a candidate is more inclined towards and how it can be applied in real-world product management scenarios. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube and Instagram channel, Product Growth Lab.